All right, so if Perplexity AI is not working for you, maybe it's not loading, stuck, or showing errors. Yeah, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step in 2026. First, a quick idea. Most issues happen because of internet problems, cache errors, VPN conflicts, or sometimes just server overload. Start simple, check your internet. If your connection is slow or unstable, Perplexity won't load properly. Next, refresh the page or restart the app. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. If it's still not working, clear your browser cache and cookies. This fixes a lot of loading issues. If you're using a VPN, well, turn it off. VPNs can block or slow down Perplexity connections. Make sure your app or browser is updated. Older versions can cause errors or compatibility issues. Try logging out and back in. This helps fix account or session problems. If you're on mobile, uninstall and reinstall the app. Yeah, this clears hidden bugs and fixes most issues. And sometimes it's not you. If servers are overloaded, you just have to wait and try again later. So, yeah, most Perplexity AI issues are easy to fix once you know the cause. Just go step by step and you should be back up and running pretty quickly. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more simple fixes and guides coming soon.